What is output redirecting and how it is different from Linux pipes? Let's see. The standard input or std-in device for the commands is the keyboard, and the standard output or std-out device is your terminal screen. There's one more stream called standard error or stderr. It is the channel for error messages produced by the command and by default is also your terminal screen. With redirection, you can switch the standard output to a file. You can also append to file. The standard output and standard error can be redirected to different files for clearer output. The standard output and error streams can also be merged to a single stream and then redirected to file. Sometimes a massive amount of error messages that are not so important can be received. Then the error stream can be redirected to null. A here document uses a special form of I/O redirection to feed a list to an interactive program or a command. A limit string is used to specify the start and the end of the list. Piping is a powerful capability which allows building complex tasks. Bear with me to see how that works. With a pipe, the output of one command becomes the input of a second. It is specified in a command line as a simple vertical bar between the two command sequences. Also, multiple commands can be piped to form a more complex workflow. One more thing, the dash character can be used as a placeholder which contains the output of the previous command in the pipe. And that's it.